YouTube channel. Thank you for the continuous support. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you want to see my entire playlist on YouTube, type Chef Jodhan Kitchen for all my amazing videos and delicious recipes. Today we'll be cooking a great vegan meal. It's popular in the Guyanese culture and the Caribbean. This vegetable is a great source of vitamin and mineral. It prevents cancer, improves brain function and heart health. I wonder what vegetable that can be. Let's go. It's an eggplant. In Guyana we call it Boulanger, but internationally it's an eggplant. Today we'll be cooking Boulanger Choka, but internationally, as I say, you would say Eggplant Choka. Here are some of the ingredients we'll be using today. An eggplant, a few stalks of scallion, celery, 1 hot pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, and a teaspoon of oil. Time to prepare the seasoning for our eggplant choka. Cut your onion small dice. Dice your tomatoes. Cut your celery. Cut your scallion. Your hot pepper. Please pay special attention to this part. I sliced the garlic in two. I'm going to cut the two ends, not throughout, just a small cut. Stuff the garlic in. 1 clove per each side. I'm going to take the oil, rub it all around. I'm using cooking oil. I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap this around the eggplant. Place the eggplant directly on the fire and cook on each side for 3 minutes. You might getting a bit fireworks, but don't worry, it's cooking perfectly. Another 3 minutes is up. Turn again. You might get a few drops of juice dropping out, but the flavor is still intact. It's all roasted around. I'm going to remove it from the stove and clean it. Now the eggplant is all roasted, let's start cleaning. Cut the middle of it and pull it apart. Use your fork and scrape all the flesh out. Avoid having any of the bone skin in. Here's my garlic. I'm gonna use the back of the fork and smash this a bit to incorporate the garlic with the eggplant. Let's get to the finishing point of the eggplant choka. I preheated 3 tablespoons of oil over high heat. I'm going to add my seasoning for saute. I'm going to saute this like 3 to 5 minutes and come right back. Add your eggplant to the saute seasoning with a pinch of salt. Mix it up properly. And allow it to cook for 2 more minutes and it's all done. Are you ready for that vegan meal? Here we go. Eggplant choka served with oil roti, also known as paratha roti. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on my YouTube channel at Chef Jodhan. That's spelled CHEFJODHAN. Thank you for watching.